Hey, today we are going to learn how to enable dark mode on your Fixy application. First of all, open up your Fixy AI application on your device. Now, you can see that dark mode is turned off. Now, go to your notification panel and swipe down on your home screen. Here, you can see a dark mode option. Click on it. As you can see that, you have successfully enabled dark mode on your Fixy AI application. To turn the dark mode off, you need to simply swipe down from your notification panel and click on the dark mode option. You do not have the option to enable or disable the dark mode in your Fixy AI application, so you have to turn dark mode from your system. So that is how you can enable dark mode in Fixy AI application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.